Enthusiast Adhvik channel. As you can see, I just switched my browser from Google Chrome to Opera GX because I just like the way it looks. So anyway, I'm just here to announce a new game that I made. As you can probably see on screen right now, it's called Zombie Survival. I decided to make it in 3 engines. Number 1, Scratch. Number 2, Turbo Warp, a faster version of Scratch. And number 3, Penguin Mod, that adds lots of stuff to Scratch. And I'm gonna be using those as much as I can. So anyway, here's the gameplay. And yeah, here it is. Here's the music. Yeah, pretty much. So basically, you're supposed to get as many people as you can, get as many zombies as you can. And yeah, pretty much that. Okay, so I'm back and I've edited it. So yeah, here's the game right now, and my face might go away. So, well, that's okay. I can always bring it back. So I'm just gonna die really quickly. So I'm just gonna game over really quickly because I need to show you guys the rules, and it's in the game over screen. Okay, so here it is, and as you can see, here's the how to play button. I'm just gonna press the 8 key on my keyboard. Okay, so the objective of the game is to survive the zombies. Spacebar to swing your sword, the arrow keys to move, and the zombies will try to get you as much as they can. Pretty much that's it. Occasionally, the game might be borderline impossible, which means it's just gonna be impossible to beat. Also, this thing right here is your level. This is your score. And that right up there is the health. So basically, here's some gameplay. I think this might make the game impossible now. So I'm just gonna keep holding the space bar down because I won't take any damage, I believe. Okay, here's where it starts getting impossible. Yep, that's pretty much it. The play again will send you to the instructions for playing again. And the green flag is not here, because that will do nothing. It's up here. The S key will send you to the settings, which this does nothing, it's just an icon. You can just change your player color here, and here's the key for doing it. This text will just show you a preview of what your player color is, and you can actually change it. I'm just going to change it to our channel icons, or no, just blue. Oh no, just dark blue. Okay? And yeah, pretty much that's the game. And I'll probably update it soon. So I will in fact share it so that all of you can see it. And I'll just take out the Scratch version, cause oh yeah, and I forgot to add in a title screen. So once we do the Turbo Warp video, I'll add that in. So anyway, I felt like explaining how the code works so that you all know it. So basically, this level up thing shows what happens when you level up. It'll change your level, increase, make you move faster, and you can get more health when you're at full health. This is basically what initializes everything and what just makes it so that you level up every 15 seconds. Here is the health system. Basically, this repeat until health equals max health. This will make sure that your health will slowly replenish over time. But this also means fast. This basically shows the game over script. This is the animation for the sword swinging thing, which if you hover here, if you press spacebar, the sword swinging animation will happen. That's just how it happens. And then it just switches to the idle one. I have no idea why he does it twice. But anyway, this is the movement script, which is hooked to the arrow keys. This is the color script, which makes your player color the way it is. And that's all for the player sprite. So here's a zombie sprite. There is a lot of costumes here. I'm just going to move my window so that you can see it. So just... Okay. So the idle, and then here are all the stages of the exploding thing, which happens when you just slash a zombie. So like here, and then he just bursts. Oh, this is just the thing getting bigger. Now here's the code. This is what takes away the health from the player, and this is what moves it towards the player. This is basically what makes it do the animation. And this big line of code is the animation for just dying. So this helps this run. And then this will just initialize stuff and then make sure the zombies just get cloned until you do a game over. Here's the game over screen, which it initializes the whole thing when the game starts. But you won't be these two initialize the things that happens to the title screen. Game over screen, which this will not appear, which means that this will not appear when you're actually playing. This is what all of these lines of code, they explain what happened when you get a game over. So it'll hide these variables and then make it show. This is the script when you press the buttons. This is what makes the play again button work. This is what makes the settings button works. The settings button work. This is what makes the how to play button work, and the page 2. And the art I completely drew myself, and the sounds I just got off the internet. Like here's the attack sound. There's the slash sound, just like when you kill a zombie. Here's the button pressing sound, where you're interacting with the UI. Here's the music. I obviously can't view the whole thing. Here's the game over sound, which I can't actually put in here because it'll just overlap with the music. And here's the code for the background. It'll set it to the grass background right here. And this is the level up background. This is what makes the music run. And this is what happens when the game over script happens. I'll probably have to remove it soon. And once I get it to work, I probably will not remove it. And that's it for the Scratch version. I'll probably make another version of it in Turbo Warp. And just in case you don't know how Turbo Warp works or looks like, here's what it looks like. And here's just an example project. And also its very own add-ons. And I'm not sure you can actually create projects in here. Actually, you can. You can. Here's Penguin Mod, which is the one after Turbo Warp. I can just sign in to my Scratch account. So just generate code. And then I'm just gonna put it on my profile. And then it'll just sign me in. So I've used Penguin Mod before. And it's basically Scratch, but way better. It has more stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Flippy Bird Remastered is now out, and I'm not updating Flippy Bird anymore. So go play these games, please. And one time, my friend Dylan, he just hijacked Flippy Bird. He just changed the notes and credits to say that I'm not releasing Flippy Bird Remastered and stuff like that. And I am working on another thing that's called Geometry Dash, but I remade it, which I think I covered in another video of mine. Here's the current version of it. Which adds these rails that you can slide on with the ship. Oh no, I don't think it works. So basically just like that. And you can just, play. So basically that's it for today's video. If you liked that video, smash that like button. And if you loved it, subscribe. And until then, goodbye.